Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are still working in this bathroom, and I'm really excited about today's video because I feel like this project is taking me forever to get done. And sometimes it goes like that because we had a lot of unforeseen issues, a lot of construction things that we needed to address first, and now we can start adding in all of the color, all of the accents, all of the pretty things that's going to really pull this room together. So if this is the first bathroom video that you're seeing, go check out all of the other videos because you will see how far this bathroom has already come from where it was. But in last week's video, we added this top piece to this vanity and we made it taller and added these tilt out drawers right here. And so the first thing that we need to do is remove all the drawers, the doors and everything, and we're going to get everything ready to paint. Okay, now that we have the doors and the drawers and everything off, we can see our seams a little bit better. Now, I tried my best to get them to match up as perfectly as possible, and I think I did a pretty good job, but they still need a little bit of filling. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is take my sander and sand all of these perfectly smooth, so then if there are any little gaps between them, we'll be able to fill those and then sand it, and it'll look like one solid piece. Okay, I got these pieces right here wood filled, but this one over here is just a little bit bigger. And so instead of using wood filler that might take a little bit longer to dry, I'm going to use Bondo. And I've used this on my channel before. It's just a two-part like putty that makes a very, very, very strong bond, and it dries super fast. So I should be able to sand it in like 15 minutes. Okay, it is time to paint, and I'm starting off with primer, mainly on the areas that are not already primed, like the primed wood that I used. And I'm using this Zinc primer, mainly because I had it. So I'm gonna go with a light coat over that, and then it will be time to talk about the color. Okay, everything's primed. Let's talk color. The majority of you guys all said that you would do like a sage green color, which is funny because that's already the way I was leaning. It was in my original mood board. So I was determined not to have analysis paralysis because there are so many options, but I think I found a color that I like. So this is the rug that I think I'm going to be using and the shower curtain. And so I wanted something that wasn't like super green, that was more neutral, like a green gray. And I went ahead and got a sample and painted this test board. And this color is called At Ease Soldier by Sherwin Williams. And so I think that this is all gonna work well together. We just have to decide on hardware. Which brings me to today's sponsor, Golden Warm. So Golden Warm is a manufacturer and supplier of hardware. Door hardware, furniture hardware, cabinet hardware. They offer a variety of products tailored to your individual needs. Their website is super easy to use. You can shop by lots of different categories. And I knew that I wanted a golden brassy finish. So I ordered a few different kinds along with some other things that caught my eye. It shipped super fast and I'll show you guys some of the stuff that I got. One of the things that I liked about the Golden Warm website was they had such a variety of large like drawer pulls, because the drawers that I am doing in the bathroom are pretty wide. And so I grabbed this one and it's like two different kinds of gold brass, if you can see. I also got another one. I thought this one was so beautiful and it's super heavy. They also have the coordinating little knobs to go with the pools. I mean, either one of these could work, but I think I like this one because it's a little more muted and it's longer, which I think will look nice on the drawers. And ever since I put in the soft close drawer slides in the bathroom, it got me thinking I should put in soft close hinges for the cabinets, which I also got from Golden Warm. I got them for not only the bathroom, but I'm going to go through and replace all of the cabinet hinges in my kitchen because my kitchen cabinets are really loud. Replace all of those hinges to be soft close. I grabbed some of these faux leather and gold drawer pulls for my son's dresser. So I think he'll like these because he already has some of these leather accents throughout his room, so it'll go perfectly. And when I made over my daughter's dresser, she wanted drawer pulls like these little faux geode rock drawer pulls. They're so fun and cute for like a little girl's room. So I'm gonna replace all of those on her dresser and she's really excited about that. She's gonna love it. I also grabbed these. I'm going to be using in an upcoming makeover sometime in the future on these built-ins in the living room, but these are 20.5 inches and they are like solid, substantial. But I'm probably gonna end up replacing them on all of these doors to be more of a statement. So if you need hardware for your house, make sure you guys go check out Golden Warm. I will leave the link down in the description, and I'm sure that you can find something that you're gonna like on their website. They have a really good variety. So now let's get to painting, and fingers crossed that I'm gonna like the color. Hopefully it works with everything else we've got going on in this bathroom.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other.
Okay, I let everything dry overnight. One thing that I did forget to do was pull this tape. You want to pull painter's tape when the paint is still wet. So I'm hoping it doesn't pull some of the paint off the cabinet, but we'll see. So we need to do that, and then time to install everything back where it goes.
Beyond gravel, beyond all. A bigger scale the world inhales as we go. I wouldn't want it any other way, no. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all. You tell me you're scared. You tell me you're weak. But I know you're stronger than what you think. And I know it's hard. Yeah, I know it's rough. But we'll make it through. And I'll back you up. Wherever you're going, I'm going to. I'll follow you through the black and the blue. Whatever the mountain, we'll climb to the next. Honey, I'm with you through life and to death. You tell me you're nervous. You say you're afraid. I wish you could see that. I think you're brave. And if it all falls.
Okay, I'm loving the way these are looking. Not loving this with it. It's just, I thought it would be able to work, but I just think the finish is just too different. It's gonna look much better when I use it on another project with this because these match much better. So I'm gonna look for some knobs to go right here that match this a little bit better to see if they have the coordinating one.
You could see that. I think you're brave. And if it all falls.
Okay, the new vanity is pretty much done with the exception of those two knobs that I need to get. It is done. And let's just remember what it looked like when we started at the very beginning.
Wherever you're going, I'm going too. I'll follow you through the black and the blue. Whatever the mountain, we'll climb to the next. Honey, I'm with you.
And this is where we're gonna stop for today's video. We are almost done in this bathroom. We still need a new light and to paint and to add all of the accents to make everything pretty again. So we are so close. Make sure that you're subscribed because next week will be the final reveal. Fingers crossed, unless something goes terribly wrong, but it's not. So I will see you guys then. Bye.